You are starting a project for Sustainability Week, and the project will be based on the theme of creating community. It's an investigation as to what someone would need to do to set up a beekeeping area. As you have learned, the disappearance of the honeybees and wild bees, along with colony collapse, has become a major problem, not only in the United States, but also on a global level. As a class, you are going to go beyond why they are disappearing and focus on how you as individuals can contribute to a sustainable ecology. Therefore, for this project, you will want to learn how to set up a honey bee hive. You will need to determine what equipment is necessary, where the hives need to be located, and how to start up a colony with queen bees. To get started, let's determine what equipment and materials you will need in order to create a beekeeping area. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search, what to search for, and where to search for information on this topic or even another topic you may have in the future. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a research question and search statement, use the Kentucky Virtual Library database to research, identify possible sources, and narrow your search results. Once you gather your research, you will be developing a plan for building a bee colony, outlining a budget, and identifying a supply list for getting started. First, you need to create a research question. So ask yourself, what is my topic? Well, it is about bees and creating a beehive colony to provide sustainability. That is a broad topic, so let's see if we can narrow it. Think about what in particular you want to find out about creating a honeybee hive. You need to know about materials, supplies, cost, and location. Let's pick one to start. Our research question for this tutorial will be, what is needed to create a beekeeping area? Now that we have a research question, we can begin to think of keywords or synonyms to use for different words in the research question to help us narrow or broaden our search. Some keywords include materials, needed, and beekeeping. Next, we will create a search statement. To do this, we will use Boolean operators or connectors between the keywords to make our search more accurate. Boolean operators are and, or, and not. For our research, we will use the Boolean operator and because it will help us narrow our search. You could use or. This would broaden our search. Our search statement for this tutorial will be beekeeping and materials. Now that our research question and search statement have been created, we are ready to begin our search for resources. You will start by opening the internet browser and typing in the following URL address in the search bar: www.kyvl.org. When you get to the Kentucky Virtual Library site, look in the left-hand corner, in the red, where it is labeled Students. Underneath this, you will click on the tab that says Middle School. This will take you to where you can type in your search statement, beekeeping and materials. Before it lets you see the results, you have to type in your username and password. Once you type in your username and password, it will bring up your search results for the search statement. This says it has 63 results for beekeeping and materials. In looking at the results, the one that catches my eye is titled Keeping Bees. It says it's a periodical and it can be viewed in either HTML full text, which is how it would appear on a web page, or as a PDF full text that can be saved to your flash drive or printed. Look at the information provided for the article before clicking on it to help you determine if the periodical is a good choice. For example, look for the date. This one says 2009. That means this article is current and up to date. It also tells you where the periodical came from, which lets you evaluate the article for its credibility. At the top, you will find additional tabs that allow you to access additional resources such as a dictionary, an encyclopedia, and images. Let's review what we have learned today about research. 1. Create a research statement or question. 2. From the research statement or question, identify keywords and create a search statement using Boolean operators. 3. Log on to the KYVL website and type in your username, password, and search statement. 4. To evaluate your sources, look for current dates, publication information, titles, and in what format the source is available, such as HTML or PDF. Now it's your turn to begin locating resources. Feel free to come and see me in the Library Media Center if you have questions or need further assistance with the project. But most importantly, have fun.